torrential slide value equivalent to $11.6100 a coin, which is very critical. The present range, $11.21, $11.72. The earlier day close, $11.40. The change was plus 0.2100, plus 1.84% in an unobtrusive way. Opposite rate, USD to AVAX. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost forecast for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at $14.11, in spite of prevalent thinking. Greatest cost $14.94, least cost $8.24 in an unpretentious way. The normal for the month $11.66, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $9.36, change for June 33.7%. AVAX to USD expectations for July 2023. In the first place, cost at $9.36 in a significant manner. Greatest cost $9.87, least cost $7.31. The normal for the month $8.60. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $7.86, change for July 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset, cost at $7.86 in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost $7.86, least cost $6.14. The normal for the month $7.12. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $6.60. Change for August 16.0% in spite of prevalent thinking. AVAX to USD expectations for September 2023, or so they thought. Before all else, cost at $6.60. Most extreme cost $6.82, least cost $5.92. The normal for the month $6.43, or so they thought. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.37, change for September 3.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023 in a sort of huge manner. At the outset, cost at $6.37. Most extreme cost $7.08, least cost $6.16, or so they thought. The normal for the month $6.56. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.62, change for October 3.9%. AVAX to USD expectations for November 2023. Before all else, cost at $6.62. Most extreme cost $6.62, least cost $5.34, which is very critical. But for the most part, normal for the month $6.08 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.74, change for November 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $5.74. Greatest cost $7.13, least cost $5.74 in a sort of significant manner. The genuinely normal for the month $6.32. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $6.66, change for December 16.0%. AVAX to USD expectations for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $6.66. Greatest cost $6.66. By and large, least cost $5.20. The normal for the month $6.03. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.59. Change for January 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.59, in spite of prevalent thinking. Greatest cost $5.59, least cost $4.37. The normal for the month $5.06. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.70. Change for February 15.9%. AVAX to USD expectations for WAP 2024. Initially cost at $4.70. Most extreme cost $5.64. Least cost $4.70, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. The truly normal for the month $5.08 in a significant manner. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.27. Change for spring 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.27. Greatest cost $5.27. Least cost $4.41. The normal for the month $4.92. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.74. Change for April 10.1%. AVAX to USD expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $4.74. Most extreme cost $4.74. Least cost $3.70. The genuinely normal for the month $4.29. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.98. Change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024, which is very critical. At the outset cost at $3.98. Most extreme cost $4.94. Least cost $3.98. The normal for the month $4.38 in a significant manner. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.62. Change for June 16.1%, which is genuinely huge. AVAX to USD expectations for July 2025, which is very critical. To start with cost at $4.49. Greatest cost $4.49. Lovely least cost $3.51, which is genuinely critical. The normal for the month $4.07 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.77. Change for July 16.0%. USD to AVAX conversion scale equivalent to 0.0861 torrential slides per $1. Today, S reach 0.0853 minus 0.0892. The past day, S nearby 0.0877. Change for now 0.0016. 1.82% in a significant way. USD to AVAX expectations for June 2023 in a significant manner. At the outset cost at 0.071 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.121. Least 0.067. The exceptionally normal for the month 0.092, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The USD to AVAX gauge toward the month's end 0.107, change for June 50.7%. Dollar to torrential slide gauge for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.107 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.137. Least 0.101. The normal for the month 0.118. The USD to AVAX figure toward the month's end 0.127, change for July 18.7%, which is very critical. USD to AVAX expectations for August 2023 incredibly. To start with cost at 0.127 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.163, especially least 0.127 incredibly. The genuinely normal for the month 0.142, or so they thought. The USD to AVAX conjecture toward the month's end 0.152, change for August 19.7%. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture for September 2023, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the first place cost at 0.152 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.169. Least 0.147. The normal for the month